been pouring out for quite some time. The rain won't cut out. It feels just like I'm sold to this song. But I know I still need a cure. So won't you take this seat at this table for two? A cup of water for me, this umbrella for you, the one that drives you play out. Don't rush the clouds, they'll take their hit bounds and float off stage, replaced by sound. Thunder's clouds, foreshadows all around. This dream was real, my life's a myth. I'm just a tale of a boy sinking quick into a man with childish sin born on his back, nailed to my chin. Go from here, if here is all I have. I can't show no fear, fear it was just that bad. Maybe that's just it, we forgot how to laugh, to cry. What matters most, so I will find my Holy Ghost. So is there a pot of gold that's waiting for me at the end of the rainbow? 'Cause I can't see the colors shine on me, or the other side of green. I won't let this be the only thing in my heart. I'll fight